Hi there, my name is Dr. Kemi from the Nature Tracker channel. Besides being an academician, I'm also a passionate nature documentary videographer, photographer and researcher. In my previous video, I showed the importance of audio and sound in any video production. I also showed some of the gears that I use during my outdoor video shooting. In this video, I'll be talking further in depth about my latest combo of the GoPro Hero 7 Black and my Note 8 smartphone camera rig setup that I use more often now when recording my documentary videos. I was not at all satisfied with the existing plastic casing that came with the Hero 7 Black, so I decided to purchase a third-party aluminum casing for the GoPro Hero 7 Black action camera, which has a hot shoe mount on it, a wider opening for the Type-C port on the side, and a lens cover. Unfortunately, I realized later that this new casing design tends to block several of the built-in mic port on the Hero 7 body, thus rendering it a bit useless when the audio source came from a certain angle. To overcome this, I've just recently acquired a GoPro Type-C audio adapter which I bought through online purchase. Luckily, this new adapter has now greatly helped enhance the quality of the captured audio from an external mic source on my Hero 7 Black. To strongly attach the audio adapter to the front of the new aluminum casing body, I use an industrial quality Velcro strip. This latest series of GoPro Hero 7 Black, which the manufacturer claimed to be a gimbal killer, it is certainly very good with its built-in video stabilization capability. I tend to use it more often for my action and movement shot, such as for tracking or walking scene. Because of the obviously constant variance of range between the audio source to the camera during these moving shots, I make use of the Boya BY WM5 wireless mic system and the Pro 3.5mm mic adapter as my audio input on my Hero 7 Black. While, on the other hand, for the Samsung Note 8 camera, I will capture its audio directly to the Rode Video Micro shotgun. I use this specific configuration setup more often for a static, close proximity interview and conversation video shot. To easily carry and handle both of them when doing my off-grid shooting, I have both the cameras mounted on the same plate, on top of pistol grip rig, which can also open up as a tripod. Instead of the side-by-side setup, I have the Hero 7 Black fitted to the front and the Note 8 behind it for a thinner profile. When shooting video on Hero 7 Black, I prefer to preview its in-frame composition on a bigger screen of the Galaxy S7 through the installed GoPro app instead of having to squint my eyes on the very small Hero 7 screen. On the Hero 7 Black, I prefer to stick to linear mode, 1080p to 60 frames per second when shooting videos. Unfortunately, this GoPro Hero 7 Black is a little bit poor in the low light capability area, and this is when I will switch back to the shooting on the Note 8 camera, which has a much better low light capability. Instead of constantly physically switching between using the Note 8 built-in rear camera and also using the Note 8 as a bigger screen to preview the Hero 7, I just set it to split screen mode for quick access to both the built-in camera and the Hero 7 simultaneously. When I need to capture video through my Note 8 rear camera, all I need to do is to twist the smartphone slightly a bit to the right so that the Hero 7 Black casing is out of the frame and will not block the view. On the Note 8 smartphone, I do not rely solely on the standard built-in camera app, but I use the paid Filmic Pro app or the free Open Camera app that I downloaded from Google Play Store, which gives me a better camera control feature, just like those of the DSLR. When I go shooting outdoor or off-grid, the camera battery life is the main troubling concern, especially with the 1-hour battery limit of GoPro. When so needed, both cameras can rely on additional power source from the 3000 mAh power bank that I kept in my waist pouch. When shooting outdoor, I will also carry with me an extra microphone that is attached to the Unitech selfie stick that will function as my portable and collapsible boom mic pole. This extended audio source will be recorded separately into my Galaxy S7 for later synchronization during the post-production stage. Using a GoPro bicycle mount bracket fixed to the base of this collapsible Untech selfie stick pole, I attached the camera holder bracket to firmly grip my Galaxy S7. In order to monitor the quality of the audio during this live recording into my Galaxy S7, I make use of the 3.5mm TRRS jack cell phone to microphone and headphone Y cable converter to record and immediately listen to the recorded audio in my headphone. At the same time, I'll be able to see the visual audio scale on the iRecorder apps on my Galaxy S7. For other situations where all the ambient sound is equally important, such as in a group C1 performance or group musical recording, I then place the Zoom H2 4-axis audio recorder firmly in the middle of the action for a surround audio capture. What do you do when you go to school? And for live interview, two separate lavalier mic is used. One is recorded to the Zoom H1 while the other to the Sony digital recorder. Both these separate files will then be synchronized to the video track on the timeline during post-production. Again, I hope you like and find this video useful. Please click the red subscribe button down below and tick the bell icon so that you'll be notified for any upcoming video from me. Lastly, thanks for watching this video. I hope to see you again in my next video.